it's Brooke with WTI.
Are you looking for an honest, crystal clear tempered glass mirror? Well, look at this one by TETOTE. This is great for the bathroom. This is our brushed nickel mirror. It's wonderful that it's waterproof, rust-proof, great for humid areas, or you can use it as an accent mirror in other rooms. It came with everything I needed to hang it. It can be hung vertically or horizontally and stays very secure in place. There was no glue marks, so I wasn't worried about a risk of detachment. And I like the versatility of this mirror, the beveled edge and the brushed finish. So when I can see the softness of that, it really gives it a nice luxury touch and it makes the mirror pop when it's on the wall. It can be hung or it can be leaning. And it's really nice that the back of it too has this two metal brackets that are dual riveting. So on both sides, it's very secure. I appreciate so much that this was not only made well, but delivered very well. That's important. There was no worries about it being damaged. It had EVA corners that were also keeping it secure. This has been a wonderful addition.
We love it, but that's just my point of view.